Hey everyone, Chip Kosei here from the Kosei Law Firm in the next edition of Laws for Life. It's everything I've learned over 25 years that can help you in your everyday life, and I sure hope it does. Today I want to talk to you about a client that I had one time, a small business owner, and he had a construction company, and while he was going from one job to the next, he was involved in an automobile accident, and he was shocked to find out when his automobile insurance carrier refused to cover the loss. And they based it on the fact that he should have had a commercial as opposed to an ordinary automobile policy. So there's many small businesses out there, and in fact I believe that small business owners are the backbone of our country, so I thought this might be a helpful video. So when is it important to determine whether you need a commercial auto insurance policy versus an ordinary one? It's pretty much determined by whether or not you're involved in a particular type of work and how much you drive. Insurance companies have what's called underwriters and actuarials. They assess risk, and depending on the amount of risk they're undertaking, that will be reflected in the premium. So for example, the more risk they undertake, the greater the premium. Now, what is one of the biggest factors of them determining risk? Is how many miles you drive in a year, because the more you're on the street, the greater the chance you have of being involved in an accident for which you could be possibly held to be at fault. So when you're looking at something like this, if you're a small business owner, consider whether or how much you drive in a given year. If you're going back and forth across the lake or to Baton Rouge a lot or whatever, and you put 15 or 20,000 miles on your car, chances are you should have a commercial policy. In addition, there are some specific exclusions in automobile insurance policies that I've read over the years, and it pertains to mostly the type of career that you have. So for example, if you're in a livery service, meaning you drive a limousine or a taxi cab, or let's say a rideshare service like Uber or Lyft, you need to have a commercial policy because you're gonna be on the streets a lot. That's how you're making your money. So the more you're on the street and the greater chance you have of being involved in an accident, the greater the possibility that you need to have a commercial policy. I sure hope this information has been helpful for you. If you have any questions about this, please give me a call or email me at chip@koseilaw.com, and we'll talk again soon. Thank you.